This is the Shedazzle Natural All-Purpose Cleaner and Polish in the Grapefruit Scent, a multi-purpose cleaning product designed for everyday household cleaning and polishing. It's made with an eco-friendly approach and can be used on a variety of household surfaces, making it a convenient option for kitchens, bathrooms, countertops, appliances, and general home cleaning. One thing I like about this cleaner is the grapefruit scent. It gives a fresh and clean aroma while cleaning, helping leave spaces feeling refreshed after use. The formula is designed to both clean and polish, which makes it useful for quickly wiping down surfaces and helping maintain a neat appearance around the home. Its multi-purpose design also helps reduce the need for multiple separate cleaning products, which can make everyday cleaning routines simpler and more convenient. The compact container is easy to store under sinks, in cleaning cabinets, or alongside other household essentials. Overall, the Shedazzle Natural All-Purpose Cleaner and Polish combines versatile cleaning performance, fresh grapefruit scent, and eco-friendly convenience in a practical everyday household cleaner.